Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Sharmi's Blackboard. Thank you for the support which you all have provided for the last video. Hope you all have enjoyed the last video which I have posted and you would have got a small idea about this energy called heat. So today's class is also going to be very interesting. So please do like, share and subscribe for more awesome and interesting videos. In today's class, we are going to learn about the effects of heat. Okay, so effects of heat is nothing but the changes which the heat energy could produce to the objects in this world are called as the effects of heat. So in that way, we are going to learn about three effects of heat. The first one is expansion, and the second one is increase in temperature, and the third one is change in the state of the object or any other matter in this world. So those are all the effects of heat which we are going to learn today in this video. So in that way, expansion is nothing but the objects, you can take any kind of object in this world. For example, if you take water, it is a liquid. Likewise, there are so many objects in this world, isn't it? Solid, liquid and gases. So if you apply heat energy to the object, automatically expansion will occur in the matter. So that's what they are telling here in detail. In first point, what they are telling is that if you apply heat energy to the atoms and molecules, what happens is that atoms and molecules will start to vibrate. Okay, if you apply heat energy to the object such as solid, liquid or gases, the atoms and molecules which are present inside that object, that is the smallest particles of the objects, will start to vibrate. Okay, it will start to vibrate. So it will vibrate, and as well as the kinetic energy of the object will increase. Okay, if it start to vibrate, the kinetic energy of the matter will automatically increase, of the atoms and molecules will automatically increase. Okay, kinetic energy is nothing but the energy possessed by the motion of an atom or molecule. Okay, for example, if an atom is moving from one place to another place, it will produce an energy. That is what we call as the kinetic energy. So if we apply heat energy, the atoms and molecules in the matter will automatically start to vibrate, and thereby the kinetic energy of the atoms and molecules will start to increase. Okay, that is the third point. And the fourth point is nothing but the force of attraction decreases. Okay, force of attraction will decreases. As I have told you earlier, if we apply heat energy, automatically the atoms and molecules, what happens? They'll start to expand. If they want to expand, they need, in that case, the force of attraction should be lesser. Okay, if the force of attraction is higher, the atoms and molecules will be binded strongly together, and it will be difficult for the object to expand. So in that case, if the force of attraction is lesser only, the atoms and molecules will move freely away from each other, leading to the expansion of the object. Okay, so that is the last point in this topic called expansion. Okay, first effect of heat is nothing but it is the expansion. Okay, if you apply heat energy to the atoms and molecules, they will start to vibrate. Okay, they will start to vibrate, and the kinetic energy of the atoms and molecules will start to increase. It will start to rise. Okay, then the force of attraction will decrease. Okay, force of attraction between the atoms and molecules in the objects will decrease. Okay, if the force of attraction decreases, only the object can move freely, it can expand. Okay, that is the first effect of heat. Okay, so then the next one we are going to learn is the second effect of heat. Okay, so the second effect of heat is nothing but increase in temperature. Okay, increase means you all know that rise. Okay, increase in level. Okay, the values being rising. Okay, if it is in 0, if the value rises to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, that is called rise. Okay, increase means increasing, rising. That's what we call the increase in temperature. So if you apply heat energy to the objects such as solid, liquid or gases, automatically the temperature will increase. Okay, the temperature of the substance will start to rise. Okay, the heat energy is applied, the rise in temperature of the substance will take place. Okay, I shall tell you an example. If you are boiling a bowl full of water using a gas stove, what happens after some time? the water will start to boil. Once the water reaches the temperature of 100 degrees Celsius, the water will start to boil, isn't it? So that is only because of the heat energy. Okay, this heat energy, what it will do is it will move the atoms and molecules very fastly, and it will raise the temperature of the atoms and molecules. Okay, so that is why once the water reaches the temperature of 100 degrees Celsius, it is starting to boil. Okay, it is reaching the stage of boiling. Okay, that's the second effect of heat. So similarly, if you freeze the water, okay, if you boil the water to 100 degrees Celsius, it will start to boil, the bubbles will form, isn't it? So similarly, if you freeze the water to 0 degrees Celsius, you can get the formation of ice. Okay, ice cubes can be obtained while you freeze the water by 0 degrees Celsius. Okay, water will start to boil once it reaches the temperature of 100 degrees Celsius, and it will lead to the formation of ice once you freeze the water at 0 degrees Celsius. Okay, so children, the next one we are going to learn is nothing but it is the change in state. Okay, as I have told you, this is the third effect of heat. Okay, this is the third effect of heat which the heat could produce to a substance. That's what we call as the change in state. Change in state is nothing but changing the state of the substance from solid to liquid, liquid to gas, or from gas to solid, or solid to gas. Okay, that's what we call as the change in state of the substance. Okay, for this I'm going to tell you an example. I'm going to illustrate this concept with the help of water. Okay, you all know that water will convert to ice cubes only when we freeze the water by 0 degrees Celsius, isn't it? Then it will start to boil once the temperature of the water reaches by 100 degrees Celsius. So likewise, if you take ice cubes, okay, ice cubes is nothing but it is the solid state of the water. Okay, next, liquid, the water which we consume daily, so that's what we call as the liquid state of the water. And the third one is nothing but water vapor. Water vapor is the gaseous state of the water. Ice cubes is the solid state, and the liquid which we drink, which we consume, is the liquid state, and the water vapor is the gaseous state of the water. Okay, so these three are the stages of water. In case of solid, ice cubes; liquid means it's the normal water, then water vapor is the gaseous state. So the solid can be converted into liquid. Ice cubes can be converted into water by the application of heat energy. Okay, if you apply heat energy to the ice cubes, what happens? The ice cubes will start to melt and it gets converted into liquid water. Okay, that's the process called melting. Okay, the conversion of ice cubes to water, liquid water, takes place by the process called melting. And the second stage is nothing but vaporization, conversion of liquid water into vapor, that is gas. Conversion of liquid into gas takes place by the process called vaporization. So in case of vaporization, formation of vapor occurs. Okay, gases will be formed in the process of vaporization. Okay, can you understand this one? So solid ice cubes can be converted into water, then water can be converted into water vapor. Okay, so likewise, these stages, this conversion of solid, liquid and gases can be reversed. Okay, it can also be reversed. So that process is nothing but, if you are converting the water vapor into liquid, okay, if you want to convert the water vapor into liquid, there is a process called condensation. Okay, then if you want to freeze it, if you want to freeze the liquid water to ice cubes, there is also a process called freezing. Okay, so in this freezing process, this liquid gets converted into solid, and in condensation process, the gas gets converted into liquid. Okay, so likewise, the solid, this ice cubes can be directly converted into water vapor also. That process is nothing but sublimation. Okay, in sublimation process, solid can be directly converted into gaseous state. And the last one is deposition. Okay, deposition is nothing but, in this case, water vapor can be converted into ice cubes, that is, the gas can be converted into solid state by the process called deposition. Okay, so these are all the 5 different types of changes in state because of the heat energy, because of the application of heat energy. Let me recall once again. First one is melting solid. In that process, solid changes into liquid, and in vaporization, liquid changes into gas. These are all the two process. These are all the direct conversion of the changes of state of the substance. Then next one is the condensation. So in condensation, what happened? The gas gets directly converted into liquid, and in freezing, liquid gets converted into solid. Then likewise sublimation and deposition. So in deposition, you will get the formation of a solid substance, and in sublimation, you will get the formation of a vapor substance. Okay, so these are all the three effects of change. Hope you all have enjoyed this video. So if you have any further doubt, you can comment in the comment box below, so that I'll see through it, and I'm ready to answer for all your questions. And if you want more videos in languages of Tamil and Telugu also, you can also comment me, so that I'll make further and future videos in languages of Tamil and Telugu also. See you next video. Till that, take care, stay home and stay safe, and please don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more interesting and awesome videos. Thank you. Bye.